Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to draw a floral drawing using poster color. So before we get started, let's have a look at the things that we are going to need for this drawing. First of all, we are going to use a watercolor book that is 180 GSM thick, Camel poster color. I'm using some round and flat brush, a pencil for drawing outlines, and you're gonna need some water to clean the brushes. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can see that I already have planned my drawing and have drawn the outlines, and now I will begin coloring. So for the background color, I am thinking of using light blue, so I will be mixing this blue and white to make it a little lighter. I will color the middle strip of the flower in bright red and the other two in a little bit lighter shade, and for that I will mix red and white. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is about it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.